Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasani Louise. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? If you're not new here, thank you for your continuous support. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing a quick hair review on this hair that I currently have installed. So this is the second time I'm installing this hair, so I felt like this is a perfect time to give you guys a hair recommendation. You know I love putting y'all on to the good hair. If you're interested in hearing about more details on this hair, keep watching. This is the YGWIGS Cambodian Straight Hair, and this is version hair. They sent me one bundle of 27 in honey blonde in a 22-inch, and they sent me the natural straight color in 22, 24, and 26. This is a quick weave, and I have minimal leave out. I'm going to insert some clips of how the hair looked when I first installed it. If you can tell, the hair was a lot fuller, so I didn't put all the hair back in. Let's get into some details of this hair. On the website, it says that this is version human hair, can feel, it's dyeable, bleach friendly, and style ready, ethically sourced. The full cuticle alignment, and it's 100% unprocessed, reinforced double wefts, built to last. It says low shedding, tangle resistant, odor free. This hair does shed. It doesn't come out in my hands if I'm like running my hands through it, but if I do wash it, condition it, the hair does come out. And even if I brush the hair, I notice that there will be hair on the floor. So that is one thing. We're gonna just get that out. Next, smell, because I know sometimes when we get hair from these companies, it will have a smell. Fortunately, this hair did not come with any smell at all. As far as price, I'm going to tell you how much this hair cost. So 4 bundles of the Cambodian straight hair would be less than $300. It's coming out to $280. They have free shipping, which is also great. I think that's a steal for the quality. So the other thing that I love about this hair is that you have the option to get single drawn or double drawn. So if you like your hair on the fuller side, definitely go for the double drawn, but single drawn is perfectly fine as well. All right, y'all, so that's all for today's video. Just a quick hair review, any that you might want to check out if you're looking for an affordable hair brand. Okay, it's not high-end hair, affordable hair brand, and I've tried multiple hair from YGWIGS, and I can honestly say that it's on my list of good affordable hair brands. Okay, so if you want to purchase this hair or check out their site, the hair will be linked down in the description box below. And if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.